Suriname is cooking duck curry in the Philippines. That's one of the ducks. Supposed to be chopped up and clean, but we got them alive. We got them living. You see that brown, nice color is getting there? That's the smell you want. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's smoke. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, my amazing people. So, today is New Year's Day. I ordered 2 duck. And when I ordered 2 duck, I thought, well, I didn't order 2 ducks. Someone arranged to get 2 duck for me. So I was going to cook some duck curry for my family here in the Philippines. So I expected, or I assumed that when I got these ducks, they'll be chopped up. They'll be killed, cleaned, chopped, ready to cook. I didn't know that I was getting 2 ducks that are still alive. That's one of the ducks. Supposed to be chopped up and clean, but we got them alive. We got them living. So we will prepare them. The water is being boiled. We have to clean the duck, take the feathers out. So my amazing people, I got 1 duck here on the chula roasting. Another one there behind me in the container. Got opportunity to use the chula or the fireside to roast the duck. In Philippines, this is the dirty kitchen in the province. Every Filipino home have a dirty kitchen where you can use the wood, the charcoal, the fireside, just like in Guyana, in the country. Same way I grew up. So in Suriname, we don't have the opportunity to cook on the fireside because I come from the city. But here in the Philippines, it's just like in the country in Suriname or in Guyana. So I'm gonna cook a nice curry duck for my Filipino family right here on the chula, on the fireside. So the first process we do, the first step we have to roast that, take that all that here off. You see that brown, nice color is getting there? That's the smell you want. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna cook a nice curry duck on the fireside. Guys, I really am so happy cooking today on the fireside. I can't remember when last I did this. And what we're cooking, the duck. So it makes it even much more exciting. Oh, I miss this. I can't remember the last time I cooked on the fire. It's a long time ago. And now we're not having any fire. This is what it's like in the province. There you go. Fire again. Fire again. Need to put some more sticks in the fire. Alright. There we go. There we go. For the onion, we put the garlic. I put the chili pepper. Here we're using chili pepper to cook. I don't have my Malanchina pepper to cook here. Then I'll put my paste inside now, my curry paste. I brought this curry from Suriname. So my Filipino family can experience Suriname curry. One of the only problems cooking on a fireside like this is that there's a lot of smoke. For me, that's a wonderful smell. I gotta get some water. For me, this is a wonderful smell. Okay, When you're in the province, you have to adapt to the province. You have to meet the province halfway.
Yeah, but you may opt to use the stove
No,
there
but
inside.
you see, in
right?
Suriname or in Guyana, when you cook a duck, the best duck is when you cook a duck on the fireside. We call it a fireside in Suriname. Or some people call it a kind of a chula. That's the best kind of duck you'll have. You see the duck? It's all washed and clean and roast. I wash it over 25 million times. Clean. So waiting for the curry to chunky. Surinamese chunky curry in the Philippines. Suriname is cooking the curry in the Philippines. And here we use magic sarap. Anywhere you go, in every Filipino household is a magic sarap. This is what every Filipino would use. It's can compare to our Maggi all-purpose seasoning of the body of all-purpose seasoning. And the salt here is what do you call this?
Yeah, it's
Kosher.
a rock
Is that
salt.
kosher salt or rock salt?
Yeah, but you have a finer one, but then iodized salt.
Oh, look at that, guys! Look at that.
Let's see later
Yes, Arlie will do the taste test.
duck is better.
Arlie will do
Yours or Abe's?
Well, Arlene's brother Abe, he's cooking the other duck, but he is doing it a different style. I don't know what style it is, but I'm doing it the curry style. So Arlene wants to compare to see which is better. You know, I put a duck inside. How do you like this? The gizzard? You love the gizzard?
Yeah, just put all of it.
No, but the gizzard have to go in a little bit last because the duck is sometimes duck meat is very tough, right? So you can't put the gizzard all together. You like a neck, right? So I just put a gizzard in the end.
So why don't you just put everything into the pot?
But I don't want the gizzard to go in. I separated the gizzard. Here's the gizzard. And there we go.
There's no more fire. You have to.
Yeah, I know. And this pot is dancing. I gotta balance it better. Alright, let's check the fire. Fire is more stick. Okay, I'm not so professional with the fire. We need to put some bigger logs like this, but that's too big. Let me get one on top here. Okay.
So are you putting water into it or not?
Yeah, no, it has to fry. The duck, it has its own water, so you have to let the water dry out first. Let it fry up first, and then you put some water inside. So all the water is gonna fry out. It's gonna lose a lot of water in the. Oh, it's so smoky here. I had a choice to use the stove inside, but I rather the fireside to give this duck a good flavor.
Yeah, and Abe is using the stove inside.
And her brother Abe is using the stove inside. So this is a Suriname cooking duck curry in the Philippines. Let's see how this turns out. I'll have the family sit at the table and I'll have them do a taste test. Oh, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with gas. Now we're cooking with gas. Natural born countryman from the country. You hear all those roosters crowing? They probably might disappear one by one every day if I'm here for a long time. In Suriname, we are accustomed to roosters crowing in the morning to wake you up. Here, roosters crow 24 hours, non-stop. Alright, there you go. So we will let this fry for a while, then we'll check it again. We'll check it back in a while, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm checking it back after about 50 minutes. And honey, look here, this is what I meant. See, the water is dried out. All the rank water, we call it. See, it's frying up here now. So we can actually add water into this now. Look at that, guys. Look at that fireside duck curry. See, perfect color. Usually in Suriname, what I've learned from mom, what I've learned all these years, we usually don't put coconut milk in the curry. I mean, I don't like it with the coconut milk, but I'm gonna just add some Filipino culture to the curry, because Filipinos, most of the times when they cook a curry, they'll put coconut milk inside, put some chili paste inside. So I'll just add some coconut milk instead of water for now. It's a Surinamese duck curry, but I added a hint of Filipino culture in there. I put some coconut milk. Now I'm gonna put the heart and the gizzards, because this don't take long to cook. So I'll let this boil some more and I'll check it back in a little bit. Surinamese duck curry in the Philippines. Look at this, guys. Look at this. A lot of smoke. I know for a fact that I can only speak for Arlene and her family, because I notice when I'm here, they're not too much fussy, picky with too much of sauce. They like their food a little bit dry. So I'm not gonna put too much sauce in this food. I just leave it like this. And this is the finished product, guys. This is the finished product. Now Arlene wants to know who is the better cook, me or her brother. But I'm cooking duck curry. I know what he's preparing, duck in coconut milk, I think. I'm not so sure. Let's taste for salt. For me, that's perfect. Perfect salt, perfect spices. Arlene will tell us later when she do the taste test. Duck curry cooked on a fireside with a lot of smoke. Maybe you can see me, I don't know. And it's still New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. Cheers. Oh, being in front of the fire, you need to have that to quench your thirst. So there you go, guys. Duck curry in the Philippines. Okay. Okay, guys, there you have it. The duck curry prepared by moi from Suriname, and that's prepared by Arlene's brother. Two different kinds of duck prepared today. So we want to know which one tastes better or which one they like. So which one do you think you like? Be honest, be honest.
Now this one is softer.
Which one is softer?
This one.
Because that one was pressure,
yeah,
that's why.
Yeah, maybe this is because this was cooked in a pressure cooker.
But, okay.
Yeah.
It's a bit tough? Okay,
It's
so
tough.
what about taste?
The taste, there's like some kind of a strong taste in
That's
here.
the curry powder.
This is like the typical Filipino
Dish, okay.
dish. So
So you'd rather this one than this one?
I'd rather
Be-
have this
be-
one.
be-
I'd rather.
No, honey.
I'm choosing this one instead.
Be honest. Be honest. It's okay. Which one is better? This one or this one? Which one you like more?
Could have. Give me 10 hours.
I don't have 10 hours on the vlog. This one is a typical Filipino style. This one is too strong carb powder.
Have you tried this? Have you tried both?
No, I didn't try that one as yet, but I know what mine tastes
Tasting
like.
both. Yeah, this is good. This is.
It's a little too salty,
No. It's okay already for me. It's
but the
just
curry
that-
powder is too strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's just like a
The
kick,
next-
a kick.
Okay.
because of the
So next
strong
time we
flavor
cook it,
of
we have to put less curry powder
The
inside.
curry
And
powder.
more coconut milk.
Ano ba? Pareho ba ang curry niya?
Okay, your turn. Kobe, come. No, you come taste. Come taste. They're all shy.
By the
Dog.
way, Bicol.
Kobe, come taste. Just say good, not good, better, not better. Ay, come taste. I didn't get the first shot. It was lost. Come, one more time. One more time for the camera. One more time. One more time for the camera.
Okay na yan. Pero ano ba, i-describe mo, mas aron bang, i-describe mo doon so ano? I-differentiate mo sa sukali.
Is it still running?
Yeah.
But the spiciness in it, this is what I really love about it.
But I didn't put the spice, the curry spices.
Yeah.
Because all I added is the magic sharap.
Yeah, but like
And the
there's
salt.
like a spicy.
Yeah, the curry powder itself is of spices. It's spicy. Come in.
Like, i-differentiate mo sukali.
But maybe if this is softer or is this a bit
Yeah, it's a bit tough. Yeah, the duck is tough. Ducks are usually tough. It takes a long time to boil. Usually do it on the fireside, then it boils after a while.
Yeah, this was
That was in the pressure pot.
Yeah, pressure.
All right, so it's not heated. It's just that they're not accustomed to it. You have to get used to it.
I have
I-
to get used to this.
I
Because
know.
for sure I'll be having much of this one. What?
Cut!
So according to Arlene's sister Eileen, she said that it's okay, but she finds it a bit too salty, and that's probably because of the content of salt. That's why when you cook these kinds of food, you have to taste for salt. Not everybody likes salt.
I really wanted to eat this with just my bare hands. So I can taste.
Yeah, you can.
Dahil, isabihin mo dyan, i-differentiate mo yung curry sa to.
Kobe, you want to try?
Parang sabihin mo na dyan.
Okay, guys. So there you have it.
chewy.
It's not heated, but it's not the top best. It's in between. Maybe we have to adjust more in the curry. Less curry, less salt. But anyway, guys, Surinamese cooking duck curry in the Philippines. There you have it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share, guys. We'll catch you in the other video. Bye for now, guys. Take
Yeah,
care.
you sweat a lot cooking it.